Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan in Minecraft. To begin, understand that a vegan playthrough means completely avoiding all animal products, from food to crafting materials. You'll focus on cultivating plant-based foods like carrots and potatoes, and crafting tools using wood, stone, and iron. This approach challenges traditional gameplay, encouraging creative resourcefulness and sustainable practices throughout your adventure. To sustain yourself, prioritize cultivating a diverse range of crops. Plant wheat for bread, carrots, potatoes, and beetroots for direct consumption, and melons for refreshing snacks. Explore different biomes to forage for wild berries and mushrooms, which provide immediate nourishment. Establishing a well-organized farm with at least 10 plots for each crop ensures a consistent and abundant food supply, keeping your hunger bar full. Crafting vegan means relying solely on non-animal resources. Utilize wood from trees for your initial tools and shelter, then transition to stone and iron for more durable equipment like pickaxes, swords, and armor. Avoid leather, wool, and any items derived from creatures. Remember, you can create powerful enchantments and potions using plant-based ingredients and minerals, ensuring you remain well-equipped for any challenge. For advanced vegan living, consider building automated farms using redstone to efficiently harvest your crops, saving valuable time. Engage in trading with villagers, who often offer rare plant-based items, seeds, and even enchanted books in exchange for your surplus produce. Don't shy away from exploring the nether and end dimensions. They hold unique, non-animal resources like chorus fruit and nether warts, expanding your vegan culinary and crafting options significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.